As I promised you, I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step method of doing that personalized message. So this is my client's website. And you see here, this small little button here. Click here to join our VIP list for weekly specials. So these are the weekly specials available, but you will not get this if you walk into the restaurant. You will get only if you subscribe to our bot, to our VIP list for weekly specials. Okay. And I'll show you how many searches do they have on their website. You see here, like they have almost like 16K searches, and website visits somewhere around 2000 visits. All right, so that means it's very easy to get a lot of subscribers organically. Right? We have a lot of visitors there. I already have uh, 350 subscribers on the board right now. You see, right? 350. It's like some of them are like marketers like you guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps you can. Before that, I'm going to show you the Facebook page as well, because these designs got me great attention in front of other business owners. They all are fascinated about these graphic designs. So make sure you give a good service to your one client, and that way you will get referred to other clients, or there will be some other business owners who might be interested in your service, and they can come to you. And I always highly recommend you to have your signature at the footer. So as you see here, like I have my signature right in the footer of the website. So that will take them to my Facebook profile. Okay. So now I'll show you the personalized message here. Click here to join our VIP list of weekly specials. Gonna click it. You see this? This is the personalized message we were talking about. Hi Arun, hi Rahul, or hi Jeff. Your customers will see personalized messages just like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So let me go to my Pick Snippets account. So this is the software. Okay, this is the tool I use. This is called Pick Snippets. This will cost you $20 every month, and you can upload like 5 pictures, or even you can upgrade it to $47 plan as well if you need more pictures to be uploaded. Okay, so let's say I'm going to create a new Pick Snippet. Okay, I'm going to click it, upload a new image. Let me choose the image. And click create. Okay, you see here Rahul with his whiteboard, and I'm going to add snippet. Okay, now you see here there's edit me. So let's type here. Okay, now then add personalization. Right, you get the param here, and now let's put a comma. Let's go. And then if we'll have a default value as front. Right. We can increase the font size or small. We can do whatever we want. Let's put it 60. Okay, it's a little bigger. And I'm going to add another snippet here. Let's say welcome to the family. Uh, let's make it 50. Open to family. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna generate a code. So this will work with any platform. Right? Let's say if it is Infusionsoft, Aweber, Constant Contact, Customer Hub, Klaviyo, Mailchimp, ManyChat, ClickFunnels. I used it one time for ClickFunnels. It's pretty effective. And let me go with ManyChat this time. I'm going to copy this link, copy the link. Now I'm going to my ManyChat account and I'm going to create a growth tool, new growth tool. Let's say the messenger ref URL. I'm going to edit it here. I'm going to delete a few messages. Let's say, stay tuned. Updates. Okay. I'm going to pick dynamic. Click onto the dynamic content. And we are going to paste that URL here. So remember the URL that we grabbed from here, we're going to paste it right here, right? And then we are going to pick the first name. I usually do first name. You can do first name or last name, whatever you want to display there. Let's say first name and then test the request. Your response is valid. So that means it's working. I'm going to save it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this on top. Okay. Let me put a smiley here. This was good. Okay. I'm going to hit publish. It's published. Let me click preview. Let's preview. Okay, click preview. I got the message. See? Now, hey Arun, welcome to the family, and you have Rahul there. So now it says stay tuned for the update. So this is really, really powerful, guys. And because I got a lot of attention in the city, a lot of exposure in the city. You know, every business owners, they want to know what tool I'm using, and they're reaching most of the digital marketing agencies in the city. They don't have no idea what the hell is this, right? So they're reaching out to me, and I have a lot of subscribers in my list. A lot of subscribers are business owners in the city, and I have a pretty good potential client, a restaurant owner as well, a restaurant franchisee owner, which I'm thinking he's gonna reach out to me very soon. You know, I'm waiting for his call. All right, so that's about it, guys. Feel free to ask me your questions. And yep, again, thank you so much, Rahul, for giving me this opportunity. Just try this out and let me know your questions. Thank you.